All right, even if you are someone who believes you can't do meditation, why should you do it anyway? So, our brains evolved to handle short bursts of stress that, as early humans, we had the processes to be able to manage. Like if we were out hunting and we're faced with a predator, and we'd easily kick into that survival mode that we needed to survive. And then we'd know how to bring ourselves out of it once we were safe. But in our modern lives, we're faced with what I like to call micro stresses, and all throughout the day. So, email inbox being too full and stressing you out, kids late to school, life admin, financial stress, computers, phones breaking. The list is endless. And so we never bring ourselves back into safety because we're always in survival mode. But our capacity for mental health has not changed just because our to-do lists have got longer. So the brain and body don't care what we have to do. They're just taking into account that we're constantly in fight and flight, and this leads to increased stress levels and lowered immunity. So what does meditation have to do with it? When we meditate, even if you don't feel like anything is happening, you're allowing your brain that state of calm to move out of beta brainwave state into calmer states like alpha and theta. And from this place, not only are we improving our health, but we're also creating space in the brain, which leads to higher focus and concentration. Now, meditation is also the only time where the left and right hemispheres of the brain are working in unison. And if you keep doing this, you increase neuroplasticity by a huge amount, which will enable you to retain more information, be more focused, learn things quicker, be less overwhelmed, and feel less stressed. And when you're increasing neuroplasticity, you're also more able to break down old negative habits and limiting beliefs. So the reasons to meditate daily go way further than just to calm down. And though a lot of people do it to further their spiritual practice, of course, this doesn't need to be the objective. You will find that this happens for you naturally as you're spending a portion of each day connecting more deeply to self. Start small, but start.